Hello, welcome to Accountants Minute. I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Innovation advisory services that SMEs are looking for. That's the title of this week's edition of Accountants Minute. We've looked at our various Accountants Minutes over the last 4 weeks, and we've consolidated the overall theme, which is now is the time for accountants to be offering advisory services. In fact, advisory services offering is now the new norm for accounting firms and for progressive bookkeeping firms all over Australia and New Zealand. So in this overview, we look at the business due diligence review. That's very important, where you need to have an understanding of your client's business, 1 inch wide but a mile deep. Not 1 mile wide and only an inch deep. We also want you to look at the business plan. It's important that the leadership team and your people have worked together to develop a business plan that the leadership team has ownership of. Then we turn to the predictive accounting reports, the all-important budgets for each individual business activity that your client is operating, not all consolidated into one budget, but for each individual activity. The key drivers whereby we look at the all-important debtors, inventory, creditors, and research and development or any other particular activity that's being conducted. We need to look at the cash flow. Is your client going to need to raise additional funds? Is that going to come from loan funds? Will they be interested in looking at trying to raise capital? And the projected balance sheet, which enables you to be the financial storyteller, to show your client what their business will look like in 3 or 5 years' time if they're able to fulfill the activities as summarised in the business plan and then illustrated in the financial forecasts within the budgets and cash flow forecasts. And then we turn to the 52-week business enhancement system. This is very important. All of your clients need daily reports. It might only be 4 or 5 separate items, but they need them. They need to know they're being calculated accurately on each day. Then they need a weekly report, which is key performance indicators and other metrics, and a weekly profitability report, which after you've embedded this system, you'll find that many of your clients are actually running their businesses based on the weekly profitability reports and the key performance indicator reports that also come with it, with the metrics. And then we move on to the monthly financial accounts for each individual business operation that your client has, with comparisons to budget and the key performance indicators and metrics that have been calculated on a monthly basis. This is going to give your client fantastic information to help them navigate the severe problems that are in front of all businesses in 2023-24. And then you'll be able to go to the business advisory meeting and present the overall financial report. This is real accounting services. So we look forward to presenting this Accountants Minute edition to you to encompass these items. And then from next week onwards, we'll start going through the individual additional components: research and development, obtaining government grants, setting charge out rates, and many other matters that, as an accountancy firm dedicated to spearheading advisory services advice to your clients, you will be wanting to present. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.